Court Judge Justice Gibson Mandaza presided over senior journalist Blessed Mhlanga's bail appeal and has since reserved his ruling to a date to be advised. Mhlanga is facing charges of transmitting information that is likely to incite public violence, which his lawyer Chris Mackey argues has not happened. The state also says it has a video which constitutes the basis on its case against Mhlanga, in which Justice Mandaza dismissed, saying he will be guided by that which only transpired in the magistrate court. Chris Mackey spoke to the press after the court adjourned.
We are just out of the High Court where the bail appeal hearing for journalist Blessed Mhlanga was attended to. Justice Mandaza presided over the proceedings, and the state was represented by Mr. Nyahundri. I was representing the appellant, Blessed. The proceedings today were in two parts. Firstly, there was the issue of the judge's ruling on the issue of the video that constitutes the basis of the state's case against Blessed. In that application, the judge ruled that he would not view the relevant video because it is not part of the record in the lower court's proceedings. And therefore, he decided that he would be guided only by the content of what transpired in the lower court, in the magistrate's court. Having made that ruling, we then proceeded to motivate the case for Blessed, essentially arguing that Blessed is a fit candidate for bail and that the state has not established compelling reasons. The state proceeded and insisted with the view that Blessed is not a fit candidate for bail. The judge is now considering the arguments made by both sides with a view to coming up with a bail ruling or a determination on the bail appeal. Hopefully, in the next few days, we'll be knowing or hearing from the court what the judge's determination is. So that is where we are. Blessed goes back to Harare Remand Prison since the judge's determination is yet to be delivered. And we are hopeful that when the ruling is delivered, it will be a positive outcome and that Blessed might get his liberty back. For now, we wait to hear from the court as to what the determination will be.
Mike also gave an update on Mhlanga's health, which he says has deteriorated, although remains in high spirits and determined to regain his freedom.
He was complaining of a fever today, so he's not at his best in terms of his health. He remains in good spirits and brave, even though he is not very well physically. He was determined to come to court and to have his day in court and to establish his innocence in this matter. So he's very determined and is very hopeful that justice will be served, which would see him getting his freedom back.
It is now day 22 since Mhlanga's arrest for simply practicing his profession as a journalist. It remains to the court whether justice will be served. Reporting for HSTV News and Current Affairs, Blessing Matara, Harare High Court.